What if I told you that you're just $10 away from changing your financial life forever? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, you don't need thousands to invest. You just need a mindset shift and a $10 decision. Here's the lie you've been sold. You need to be rich to start investing. Nah. The rich became rich by starting early and small. Think of investing like the gym. You wouldn't say, I'll start working out once I'm fit, right? Same thing. Don't wait to be rich. Start building wealth now. Most young adults aren't broke because of income. They're broke because they don't invest what they already earn. Let's fix that. Here's how to start with just $10. Step 1. Set your financial target first. Ask yourself, what do I want this money to do? Emergency fund, travel, freedom from 9 to 5, a $500 target in 6 months? Perfect. That gives your $10 a mission. And when money has a mission, it multiplies. Step 2, pick the right platform next. Where do you invest that $10? Use beginner apps like Robinhood, Acorns, SoFi, or Fidelity Go. Make sure they're SEC registered, user-friendly, and low fee. Avoid apps that feel like casinos. This is your future, not a game. Step 3. Start with fractional shares and index funds. You don't need $3,000 for Amazon stock. Invest $5 in Apple, Tesla, or the whole S&P 500. ETFs like VOO and SPY are your best friends. Ignore the crypto hype and TikTok stock tips. Day trading with $10? That's like showing up to the NBA in flip-flops. Step 4. Automate it now. Automate your investing. Set $10 every Friday just like your Netflix bill. You won't notice it, but your future self will thank you. Compound growth plus time equals magic. This isn't luck. It's math plus momentum. Final act. The bigger picture. That $10 could change your future because it's not about how much, it's about how early and how smart. Want to go deeper? Check out 7 Habits That Keep You Broke. Linked at the end. Hit subscribe. No fluff, no degrees needed, just real talk for your real future.